Hi, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? Pancakeswap holder, this is live price prediction of in upcoming time, my friends. There is absolutely chance, my friends, to Pancakeswap will pumps up because, my friends, you can see in last 7 days plus 11.3% Pancakeswap will pumps up. So therefore, I'm really impressed now from Pancakeswap, and I know, my friends, to upcoming time, this is one of the good personality. I hope, my friends, to they will do this everything to upcoming time. They will give you a very good profit now. So my friend, this time as you can see here, Pancakeswap, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, absolutely take a very huge jump now in here, and definitely you can see, my friend, after a huge jump they will fails down, starting again slowly. So therefore this is just an only in of 5 to 6 7 days, my friends, they will easily recover this all loss now. Please holders, don't do anything, and just and only you will need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, they will make you millionaire now. So see you next time. Please, Pancakeswap holder, hold it. Allah Hafiz, take care.